Friends, welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today the project is about smart marks, where the this project is useful during the COVID time, and so let's go to the working of the project. So for this project, we have used an Arduino Nano with a ESP8266 for the communication and to sending to the cloud, and we have used PM 2.5 dust sensor and a fan and a speaker to just amplify the voice, and a pulse sensor and LM35 to get the temperature data. So let's go to the working of the project. We have given all the inputs of PM 2.5 and pulse sensor and LM35 to the Arduino Nano, and from Arduino Nano we have given TXRX to the ESP8266, and to the entire board we have taken a 5 volts, and so that we have used two lithium batteries, and we have converted to 5 volt and given as a power supply. So let's go to the working of the project. We are initially switching on the power supply, and we are switching on the fan too, which gives the complete coolingness inside. So the data which is collected from Arduino Nano will be sent to ESP8266, and from that the data will be updated to Firebase database. So you can see the data is frequently updating in the database, and then in the simultaneously we get the data in the mobile application. You can see the data being updated. Okay, let's go to the direct working by putting on the face. Yeah.
No.
You can see the amplification, and you'll get the data even uploaded to the phone. Yeah. Thank you.